In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage documents and files in Monday.com so you can keep all your project assets organized, accessible, and easy to share with your team. Whether you're managing client contracts, design files, invoices, or internal documents, Monday.com makes it simple to centralize everything directly inside your boards. If this video helps you stay more organized, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first step to managing documents in Monday.com is adding a Files column to your board. Open the board where you want to store documents. At the top of your columns, click on the plus sign that says Add Column. From the column options, choose Files. You'll recognize it by the paperclip icon. Once you add it, you'll now have a dedicated space in each item where you can upload and manage files related to that specific task, client, or project. Now let's talk about how to upload files. There are two main methods you can use. The first method is drag and drop. Simply drag a file from your computer and drop it directly into the file cell for that item. Monday.com will automatically upload it and attach it to that row. The second method is clicking to upload. Click inside the file cell and you'll see upload options. You can upload files directly from your computer or connect and choose files from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Box. This is especially useful if your organization already stores documents in cloud storage and you want everything synced in one place. Once your files are uploaded, you can start organizing them within each item. Click on the file cell to open the file panel. Inside this panel, you can add multiple files to a single item, which is perfect for projects that require several documents. You can rename files to make them clearer, add descriptions to explain what each file is for, and even upload new versions of the same file to keep version history organized. You can also add labels to your files, such as contract, invoice, design, or proposal. This makes it easier for your team to quickly identify the purpose of each document. If you're connected to Google Drive or OneDrive, you can even group files inside folders for additional organization. This is extremely helpful when managing larger projects with many assets. Next, let's look at how to download or share files. Click on any file inside the Files column. From there, you'll see options to download the file directly to your device, copy the file link to share with teammates, or open the file in external storage like Google Drive or Dropbox if it's connected. If your board is set up as a shareable board, guests will also be able to access the files based on their permissions, making collaboration with clients and external partners seamless. Another powerful feature is File Preview. Monday.com supports built-in previews for many common file types, including PDFs, images, videos, Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, and spreadsheets. To preview a file, simply click on it. It will open in Monday.com's built-in viewer, so you don't need to download the file just to see what's inside. This saves time and keeps everything streamlined within your workflow. By using the Files column properly, you can turn each board item into a fully organized document hub. Instead of searching through emails or different cloud storage platforms, everything stays connected to the exact task or project it belongs to. That means fewer lost files, better collaboration, and a much more efficient workflow. And that's how you manage documents and files in Monday.com step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Monday.com tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.